Do you know that the organic skincare industry is going to be worth $22 billion by 2024? Position yourself to tap into this growing industry and start making loads of cash as an organic skincare entrepreneur. Learn how to make organic skincare products with Maya Organics Academy. Get access to comprehensive trainings on organic skincare ingredients and equipment, essential oils and carrier oils, delicious body butters, African black soaps, body mask and scrubs, and other skincare treatments. You'll also have an active support system to ensure you are successful in creating eco-friendly and money-making products. Join Maya First Online Organic Skincare School today and become an organic skincare entrepreneur. You can also visit mymayaorganics.com and call us today.